Eva Trades.
Hey, happy Thursday morning. Welcome to the live show, and I hope you've had your coffee this morning. We're going to go take a look at some charts. We've got about 8 minutes till the bell rings. Let's go. My name is Josh, and I am a day trader, and I like to talk about charts. Everything I say and do here is for entertainment purposes and educational. Welcome to Eva Trades, and thanks for joining me today. It is not the simulator today. This is live, so I do a lot of simulator videos too to practice. I did one a little bit earlier this morning before coming on live here. So I find it helps me if I practice a little bit beforehand. I don't know. I think of it as like a game, you know, you practice before you play. So it seems to help. All right, so this morning, let's take a look first off at, I guess, I'll come over here. We could take a look at the overall market first. So SPY, I was looking at it earlier, if it will load. Okay, so we have a weekly inside bar. We have a daily inside bar. I believe we're going to open as a daily inside bar. We have a 4-hour, a 4-hour equilibrium. You can see we're tightening up. So we're looking for a break of that range eventually. That's all I got on that. So over here, let's take a look now at the stocks. I did place a couple of trades this morning. I traded CVNA, made 40 cents. And I traded ICU and made 215. So I am up on the day already. $2.55. Now I know that doesn't seem like a lot, but if you've seen my video, The Road to $1 Million, you'll understand why it's such a small amount. This is the risk management simulator account. Let's go to the $1 Million challenge. Day 17 yesterday. No, actually, I didn't trade yesterday. Something came up and I had to bail at the last minute. But the day before that, as of that day, I was up $231. So I would like to see if I can break the high from a few days ago and get up over 236. We'll see if we can do that today. Oh yeah, Gamebook rules. Where are they? Oh, where did I put them? I thought I had them here. Oh yeah, that's right. I put them right here. So my daily target is $20. I'm done if I hit my max loss of 40. I'm done if I give back half after hitting the daily goal. I won't take more than 4 positions to start the day, and I won't take more than my max loss allows. So getting that out of the way. Here are a look at the stocks on the gap scan this morning. KPRX, actually high of day momentum scanner, KPRX. It is on the gap scan. It's up 5%, not much. But we have a lot of stocks on the scans this morning, so I've got a full slate. I'll try to get through these as quick as I possibly can. Checking a couple of things there. Okay. So the time, we have 5 minutes to go. So this is going to go fast. So 5 minutes. We have a 5-minute uptrend right now on KPRX. And we had a 5-minute uptrend. Now we might be starting a 5-minute downtrend. What we have is a 15-minute inside bar right here. So looking for a higher low on the 15-minute. That's what I'm looking for on KPRX. Either continuation from this inside bar pattern or a little pullback and a higher low. CV, so yeah, we've been in a downtrend, kind of. It's choppy uptrend. CVNA, hourly uptrend, higher low, higher high. Over here on ICU, had a lower low with no follow through and a breakout for a higher high. So let's go to the smaller time frames. CVNA, yeah, just consolidating. So we've pulled back enough. So on the 5-minute time frame, I would only be looking for a lower high on a bounce attempt. Okay. Whereas on KPRX, it could be the same type of situation, but we'll see. Bulls want to hold that 698 level. If we break 698, we look for 15-minute consolidation. 15-minute consolidation already started on CVNA here. You see the 15-minute breakout failure and now coming down. So there's a pivot down here at 1496 that might be worth trading off of that level. We'll see what it looks like if it gets there. ICU traded it earlier on the breakout and the move up, backside of the move here. So looking at 15-minute for sure consolidation, hourly inside bar. And I'd be watching for a 5-minute trend change, or a 1 minute at the least. Looking for most likely scenario here is a lower high on the 15-minute on any kind of a bounce here. So having said that, watching the 5-minute, it's a downtrend. We'll watch for a 5-minute uptrend. APP, look at the larger time frame. We're doing a lot of larger time frame looks here. So consolidation on this hourly time frame, breaking out over that pivot of 16.99. Now looking up at 17.95 AR or APP. I see it's hitting the 5-day scanner right now. So yeah, we've got enough space here now in the 5-minute for sure to form a higher low if we do decide to pull back from this big ginormous move up. Definitely be watching this one. Change my stop loss parameter. That candle range is pretty wide on the 1 minute. BBBY, 5-minute downtrend now, losing the 5-minute uptrend. Lower low, so most likely scenario there is a lower high on any kind of bounce that we would get. 15-minute consolidation, hourly inside bar. So looking for a 15-minute higher low. And AFRM, bear flag on the larger time frame, bouncing off the EMA here, possibly. That could be where we top out. Maybe we go a little higher. Who knows? That was a pretty big drop post-market yesterday. So, yep, just a bear flag right now, but we'll watch it for continuation. We'll see if it can break out. Not much else to say on that one. So we've got 30 seconds till the market opens. I did it. Made it through all of them before the market opened. Hooray. That's unusual. Okay, so looking for a continuation of an uptrend here. Most likely scenario would be a lower high on that 5-minute, but we could break straight through. Anything can happen when the bell rings. And there it is. So watching six tickers this morning. Definitely spreading my attention out. And the first one out the gate here is AFRM taking off. So getting over 1379, I'm not going to buy it there, but let's see. That was rough. Try it once more. Oh. Wow, you see that flipping around there? I might have to take it easy here in a second. Let's see if I can. 30 cents on that. My stop's going to be a little tight, but I'm going to go ahead and jump in it anyways. Oh. So my problem this morning is my stop losses are too tight. I'm going to widen them out. Okay, now that's better. Stop loss is definitely in a better spot right there. Oh. Uh-oh, I'm down below my max loss. Now, how did that happen? I lost track of my P&L here. Okay. Got a little carried away, I'd say. So taking a look at AFRM, I'm already in a trade on it, so I shouldn't have taken that one, but now that I'm in it, we're going to ride it and see how far it can go. I'm just going to go ahead and take the profit on it. Yeah, okay, so I definitely broke my rules today. I'm going to flatten out of this position here. So I'm down more than my max loss because I broke my rules. I'm down 47 bucks. Jumped in some trades here early, played aggressively, and really just paid the price for it. Typically, those types of trades, I would have made some money on at least. And I'm going to be a little aggressive still. It just seems like the type of morning where something's going to go here. Just take the profit on it. So that got me back closer to my max loss. Now, I broke the rules twice. And HPCO just got halted. Yeah, I'm gonna full transparency here. I'm in another trade over here, breaking the rules again this morning, and for not much money here. If this does work out for me, so 32 cents. That gets me back $41, down 41. And over here, flatten that out. So now I'm down at 32.57. This is really bad. I'm getting rewarded for breaking rules. It's not a good thing. I'm widening my stop loss out so I can jump in that and sell it there. So green on that stock now, only down 30. Buying that dip off of the VWAP is risky. This stock, I tell you what, man, it really whips around a lot. Yeah. So back out. Okay, I bought off of this support here. And if I move my stop loss up, I'm risking $3 on that. I could say, hey, all right, I'll sell it if it breaks 13.97. But if it starts to go red, I think I'll get out of it, break even. And it didn't break 13.97, so I'm going to get out for some profit. I'm jumping in this one for the break of this inside bar. It's an equilibrium on a smaller time frame. High of day is up here at 1738. I'll sell it for the profit there. Go ahead and grab it. Down only $28 now. Okay, I'll buy it. I'll buy it now for the break. Sell it. Okay. This one here now is starting to show a little bit of strength, so let's try it. Actually, I'm going to get back out there. Oh, should have stayed in it. I was going to get back out and let it pull back for a second and then jump back in. Because my luck lately has been that I get in these and then they drop. And then I have to take a loss. And then I could have gotten in lower. And that's kind of what I was looking for. But I didn't lose on that trade. It's down only 26 now. I've done this before, broken my rules and kept trading and had some success coming back, but then I overtraded and ended up being down more than I was initially. And that's what I'm a little concerned about. That's why I created those rules, to keep me from like spiraling out of control. This is the first time I've deliberately broken the rules in front of an audience, so that's a little concerning. But I'm always open for new experiences. Something else just got halted. So AFRM, equilibrium, high, low, lower, high, looking for a higher low. HPCO got halted again. Let's see here. I'll put HPCO just so we can see what it looks like over here. Oh, maybe I should have traded it. I don't know. Here it is. Halted at $2.15. So APP pulling back. The question is, would it be worth it to buy a dip on it? Buying the break on AFRM. See, there's that red bar pullback I was talking about. But because last time it just broke straight through, let's give it a chance this time, see if it does that. I see Boyle on the high of day scan. Take the profit right away. You know what? Let's just add back. See if this thing wants to go through the high. 1433. The high of this candle is 1425. Is it going to be a doji candle? Well, APP dropping pretty good there. I'm just going to get back out of this one. Okay. Any other takers? So HPCO has been halted twice going up. Okay, so that's our lower high on this EQ. You get the high, low, lower, high. So now I'm looking for a higher low. And anything above 1370 is a higher low. So if this pulls back, like say to the VWAP, I would probably like to get in that. I could put like an order down here. um, actually, second thought, I'm going to get back out of that one, break even. The reason why I don't like this 5 minute candle. What time? Oh, well, shoot. We're only halfway through that 5 minute candle. I wish I would have looked at that. But the fact that we broke here and failed, I don't know. I don't like that. But we still have time to correct that. That's the thing. We're only halfway through this candle. But I already got out, so got about a minute and a half left on that 5 minute candle. I could buy HPCO on that halt resumption, but man, I just don't know. It's been halted twice. Every time it gets halted, it increases the chances that it is going to drop, get halted going down. Well, let's see here. So this is not your typical equilibrium. It's not quite the inside bar. I want to jump in right there. I'm not sure that I should. No, I'm going to get back out. I took a small loss on that. That's too much of a drop. You see that 5 minute candle is probably going to close like that. So we have a double bottom here. Yep. So resumption on HPCO. I'm thinking about it. Volume was really heavy on it. I put my order at $2. No, I'm going to get out before that gets halted. So I took a loss on it, and that puts me down 35.52. So now I'm headed the wrong direction again. So if I left my order there, I might have gotten filled, actually. Oh. Well, let's give it another go then. Why not? See if it gets halted. If I get stopped out, I'll definitely be done for the day. 250. That's the level we're fighting against here. 250. We're up over 250 now. I'm just going to go ahead and get out of it. It's pretty risky. So that's a bummer. So had I kept my order here, it might have gotten filled. I was at $2. Well, that would have been a nice win for sure. That would have been the first time in my history of trading that would have worked for me, because I've done that many times before and it never works. So it's like, well, the odds are not that great. AFRM downtrend on the 1 minute here. So right now, let's look at the overall market. Okay, so 15-minute downtrend, lower high and lower low. So we tried to get a higher low on the hourly, but got that little lower high, lower low, no follow through yet. We'll see. 5-minute time frame, we pulled back enough. We're just looking for a lower high. There's the 1 minute coming up against the EMA. HPCO going higher now. I'm going to jump in and look for a move to 3. If we can get a move to $3. My stop loss is right at the low, so that's pretty good. So I'm just going to hold on to this for a bit. Took a small loss over there on APP. I was trying to buy a breakout on it. Just right here. $276 is the level to beat. Took a loss over here. So not working for me. I tried it again a second time. This was moving up and I was pretty profitable right up here, but I didn't take the profit on it. I was holding for a bigger move and then it failed, stopped me out. So now I'm down red on the stock. Those chimes you heard, I got in over here on this break, sold up here, got in over here, took a small loss. I don't know, HPCO really having a hard time getting over that level. It's probably going to drop. Keep an eye on it here for the break. Oh. That's disappointing there. So the 5-minute candle on this ticker is a failure and is going to close that way. I'm just going to go ahead and exit this and take my loss on it. Man, that's rough. That is really rough. I was holding this for the move up towards the high, and boy, it just didn't give it to us there. Well, watch this. See what I mean? Down 62.77. So that's how it works. That's how it's that's how it always works. Whenever I break the rules, I'll find that I'll make some profit, but then next thing I know, I'm giving it back and going even deeper into the red. And this is why I have rules. So this is where I'm going to stop, because in the past I would, I'm feeling the frustration right now. And in the past I would get frustrated like this and have huge red days. Now this was, this hasn't happened in a long time, ever since I made these rules, but this is why. So this is a good example of why I have them. See, I want to get in here. This looks good to me. This looks like something that's going to break out and I can make some money on. But then if I take a loss, then what? And then I'm down even more. So here's what this is going to look like. Let's take a look one more time here. Down 62.77. So move over here. Let's watch what this does to the chart. 62.77 for breaking. No, oh yeah, I wish. Negative 62.77. There you go. So that's why I have rules, to avoid these kind of days. This is a good video. Okay. And then I got to go into here. Today. I must be missing a day here. That's weird. Oh, I have the 6th in here twice. What the heck? Well, whatever. I'll fix that later. That's so weird. Okay, negative 62.77. Put that in there. Okay, then that all that does is updates this. So it tells me now March 30th is the day that I'm going to hit my goal. So it's moved back. It was what, March 9th, and now it's the 30th. So that big loss moved that date by a lot. So it's going to take me that much longer to get to 500. Now, obviously, that's going to change if I have some green days following today. It's going to move back a little bit. Eventually, this average will round out, but right now, yesterday my average dollars per day was 14. Today it's 9. My points are 0.5. I want to be at a 1. That's what I'm trying to get to, but I had a negative 3.1 today. That's 3 times my daily goal. My daily goal was 20. I lost 3 times that much. So now I've got to have 3 winning days essentially to get all that back. And wow. Take a look at BBBY. So that was the one that was going. So I was looking for this, and I thought that it was going to be KPRX, and that's why I was getting into it. I was preparing for it, and it just came back down right here and hit my stops. But otherwise, it would have been a pretty good move. So this one, if I had held this, I would have still been in the trade, it looks like. I took myself out of it right down in here, so that's a bummer. It made the move up to 3. So that was a bit of a mistake. BBBY, though, breaking through the high, that was the one for sure. But my biggest mistake of the day was breaking my rules. Which rules did I break? I'm done if I hit my max loss of 40. That was the rule I broke. I never did hit my daily goal. It won't take more than 4 positions. It won't take more positions than my max loss allows. Well, I broke that one too. So I broke rule number 1 and I broke rule number 4. So that is a real bummer. I'm actually going to just make this, I'm going to make this red to highlight that that's a day I broke the rules. Okay. So there we go. All right. Well, this video, I hope, is educational for you. It certainly is for me. It's freaking frustrating as hell. I tell you that. I'm just, I think I'm going to go cry. I'm not going to go cry. I'm kidding. Anyways, thanks for watching this. No, I'm not going to cry because, look, I'm up. Overall, I'm up. All I got to do is not break the rules. I'll have good days. They're coming. Just on these bad days, I got to not break the rules. Thanks for watching. Have a good rest of your day. And I hope your trading goes better today than mine did, because mine sucked bad. Bye.